Hi, this is Ngo here, and I'm the founder of thefabulousbodymind.com. So many of you has been wondering what project I'm working on. I'm actually working on this project called H.E.A.L, H-E-A-L, and many of you actually are wondering what it is. So let me get my partner to answer you this question.
Hi. So there's a lot of my friends ask me what is H.E.A.L. H.E.A.L is H-E-A-L. H.E.A.L is supposed to be an acronym. Its acronym is the strategies that we use. So H is to change the habit and mindset. Mind you is the most important factor. And E is to exercise regularly. A, adequate sleep and good hydration. And of course, last but not the least, L is low carbohydrate and high protein. So together we have this H-E-A-L H.E.A.L strategy, and in hope to give you a diabetes remission. So stay tuned in our Facebook page. Bye.